Hello, it's Monika, and it is time for another blog hop and giveaway. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create very special and beautiful wedding card with a matching box. And I'm going to use free design papers from Marta Debicka, which you can find on Buy Me a Coffee website. As you can see, this design paper comes in Polish and English, and it has beautiful green background with gorgeous flowers. So I thought these papers would be perfect for today's project. If you want to take part in the blog hop, I left the links to all the videos taking part in it. You have to like, subscribe to all the channels and also comment under the videos to be able to get an amazing prize. And the deadline is the end of May. If you want to get the prize, please watch all the videos and comment under them. As you can see, I use 300 GSM white stamping card, and I die cut that beautiful element using Crafters Companion cutting die. And also all the names of the products I use in today's video will be in the description down below, so if you're interested, yes, you can check them out. To put the ribbon on my squared panel, I'm using my liquid glue, one and only glue. I think it is perfect adhesive, especially on those lace. Now, when this is ready, I had a look, and yes, I'm going to use that design paper again, and I'm going to create very special three-dimensional heart. And if you have never ever used that technique, maybe today is the day. As you can see, I'm going to use my scoreboard, and I'm going to score it at 1 centimeter half, then 1/2, and all the way. Super simple, quick, and then I'm going to fold all those score lines like if you create a fun. Super quick, easy, and I'm pretty sure you made your own fun during summertime when you were a kid. If you have, please let me know what was your favorite. Now, when this is ready, yes, it is time to fold all those lines. And if that is not perfect, do not worry, because later on we're going to create a heart. So if it's not perfect, do not worry. First of all, it is a handmade project. And second of all, yes, we do put our heart in it. So yes, just go with the flow and create some folds. And as I said before, if you want to take part in this blog hop, check all the links to the videos taking part, because the prize is amazing. And as I said before, the deadline is the 31st of May, and the winner will be announced on Drop of Sunshine art YouTube channel, and I left the link to that one as well in the description down below. And you know what? Also in the description down below, I left the link to Marta's YouTube channel, her other collections, and also beautiful boxes which you can get from her collection. So please check all the links in the description down below. As you can see, we created all those folds super quick, easy, and we do have that three-dimensional look. And that's exactly what I wanted to achieve. Now, I'm going to make my job much easier using low tack tape. As you can see, I actually try to spread all the folds a little bit, but using that low tack tape, I will make sure it doesn't move. I'm going to use one of the heart cutting dies, and I'm going to turn off my folded paper, and using my pencil, I'm going to draw that heart. If you don't have cutting dies in heart shapes, yes, you can create your own template. It is super simple. First, you just have to fold the card and draw half of a heart and cut it out. Now I'm trying to follow my outline. If it's not perfect, do not worry. We really want that 3D look on our project. As you can see, I'm using my scissors. I really wanted this heart to be dimensional. That's why I didn't use a cutting die. But if you prefer to do it, that's absolutely fine. Now, when this heart is ready, I thought, to add a little bit more interest, I'm going to die cut that heart with white stamping card, and I'm actually going to use it as a base for my three-dimensional heart. And this way, everything will look beautiful and will be professionally finished. And To make sure that all the elements match, I'm going to use my liquid glue, one and only magic glue, because you do have time to maneuver all those elements. And yes, you guessed it, I'm going to use some double-sided foam adhesive just to make it even more dimensional and special. I wonder, how often do you actually create wedding cards? And if you do, what is your preferred element on them? Do you like flowers or hearts? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now I've got my card base, and it is 6 by 6 inches, and it will be perfect for our card. However, if you want to use those design papers, you can actually create a rectangular card as well. The choice is absolutely yours. When this is ready, I decided to use one of the sentiments, and this one is in Polish, which says on your wedding day, and I put some double-sided foam adhesive just to make sure it will stand out even more. It is time to add few more flowers, because why not? They're just so beautiful and I literally couldn't resist. I'm using my smaller scissors because it is the easiest way to fussy cut all those beautiful florals. And when our flowers are ready, yes, you do have to think where to put them to create very nice composition. And I thought the bottom of the card would be perfect, even with that lace at the bottom. That's absolutely fine. When all those flowers are ready, I thought, what else can we do? So I put some double-sided foam adhesive on one of the flowers to make sure it stands out even more and makes that project even more unique. And as usual, I put some liquid glue, literally a few drops, on some of the foam adhesive because it will be adhered forever. As you can see, the heart is three-dimensional. I had to add some gold gems, and now it is time to create a matching box. So again, I've got my scoring board, and as you can see, I'm going to start with the box lid, and at the bottom I'm going to create a box base. So here, as you can see, I'm using the same measurement on all 4 sides, and I'm going to die cut a heart in the middle of that lid. Now, with the base, I'm going to use exactly the same measurement, but it will be slightly smaller. So the lid will go on top super easily. Now it is time to burnish all those score lines, and yes, we're going to create notches using your scissors. Super simple to make any box. And I wonder, if you do make wedding cards, do you make matching boxes? If you don't, maybe today is the day and you will create your own very special wedding card with a matching box. If you do, please let me know in the comments down below, because I would absolutely love to see it. I also off camera created one more square design paper panel, and I'm going to die cut that beautiful heart in the middle, and I'm going to use low tack tape just to make sure the die doesn't move when I put it through a die cutting machine. So now it is ready, and I can save that heart for a future project. And yes, it is time to add that panel on top of the box. Super quick, easy, but it really makes a difference. And as you can see, I adhered that design paper before I folded all those score lines. Now I've got a piece of acetate, and using my scissors, I'm going to cut it to the size and adhere it using red liner tape. I think it is the best adhesive for acetate. However, if you have a better trick, please let me know in the comments down below. Just to make my job much more easier, I'm using my pokey tool to peel off the backing of a tape, and our beautiful heart window on the box is done. Super quick, isn't it? And if you don't create aperture boxes, maybe I will encourage you to do it. As you can see, this is super simple, quick, but it makes your projects really, really beautiful. Now it is time to put those notches on the box using liquid glue, and our project will be done. Super quick, beautiful, and yes, it is time to put that card in the box. And what do you think about this? Please let me know. Of course, I had to add some gold gems outside that heart, just to make sure the card really matches the box beautifully. And I do wonder, What do you think about this project? Do you like it? Would you like to give it a go? Or maybe instead of heart you would use different shape. Now, as I said before, if you want to take part in the blog hop, you've got all the rules here, which you can read. You can take a screenshot if you want. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me. Now you can check all the other videos. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!